Successful in cryptocurrency trading is having a robust trading strategy. This is something that the average crypto holder doesn't have, hence why many of them end up in the red. So welcome back, guys. In this video, I will share an awesome trading strategy with you, which is called STC Indicator Trading Strategy. This is one of the best trading strategy, I think, and it will help you to be a profitable trader even if you are a beginner. So stay with us until the end of the video, and before then, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the notification bell for more videos like this one. Let's dive right into it. In this video, we are going to be testing a very interesting indicator that I didn't even know existed until a few days ago. This is the STC indicator, and this actually claims to be a better version of the MACD. Now, if you go up to indicators and you search for the STC, it is this one here. The STC indicator, and in the title, it literally claims to be better than the MACD. Now on this channel, I have already back-tested the MACD strategy 100 times, and it came back with a very positive profit and loss ratio. So it is going to be very interesting to see if the STC live up to its promises and actually delivers better results than the standard MACD indicator. Now I actually did a little bit of research into this tool, and this indicator actually combines the MACD and the stochastic indicator and puts them together to give you the STC. So with that out of the way, let's jump into how this strategy works and how you are going to find entry signals. Now, first of all, we are using the 200 period EMA. Like always on the channel, if price is below the 200 EMA, we are looking for sell positions. And then if price is above the 200 EMA, we are looking for buy positions. The EMA is a standard indicator that I think everybody should use in basically every trading strategy. If you are indicator trading, you basically need to be using the 200 EMA. So now that you have discovered your trend, let's have a look at this downtrend here. When this flips to red, this indicates a sell entry. And when this flips to green, this indicates a buy entry. Now, you may also notice that I am using the Heikin-Ashi candles. That's why the trends look a lot smoother. And you have all of these red candles in a row, and then the green ones, and then this red. This is completely optional, whether you want to use Heikin-Ashi or not. But if we switch back to regular candles, I just think it smooths everything out. And you don't get these really jagged lines like this when you are using the Heikin-Ashi candles. So let's take a look at how this would have performed if we get an entry signal here. If we put a stop loss under the last swing low, targeting a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, this would have been a very nice trade. Now just a few candles later, we get another entry signal. This one looks a little bit late. So we would have entered on this candle right here, stop loss, beneath the previous swing low. And then if we target a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, this would have actually resulted in a loss, however. We get a very nice entry signal on this candle. Put this above the previous swing low, and then we are targeting 2-to-1 risk to reward, which would have been another profitable trade. Let's keep looking until we get another entry signal on this candle stop loss above the swing low or swing high. I should say this is a downtrend, a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. And this would have been another profitable trade. We'd also got another very nice signal here. And here, you could have traded this move to the downside on either of these two entries, and they both would have been valid. Now, alternatively, let's take a look at how this would work in an uptrend. We have green here, but we can't enter. So the first entry signal would be down here, which is this candle right here. And this looks very much like it would result in a loss, which it would, and we would have taken a small loss right here. Now we do catch a very, very nice move to the upside. We would have gotten in on this candle here, stop loss beneath the previous swing low, and then targeting a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Now, this strategy is already starting to excite me. You can see that we have taken only a few trades so far. And we would have had 1, 2, 3, 4 winners to 2 losers, plus we are also targeting a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So far, this is looking like an extremely profitable strategy. Now something else I really love about this strategy and comes down to the fact that I am using Heikin-Ashi candles. But if you take a look at this choppy area here, we get no false signals, which is absolutely awesome. Usually, most indicators are really good trends. You pick up nice swings like this, but as soon as you go into choppy or ranging markets, it just ruins your account. This one looks pretty different. This strategy doesn't look like it's going to ruin your account when the market goes into ranging areas. But there is only one way to find out, and that is to back test this strategy 100 times. So let's go back to the very start of this chart, or the furthest possible we can go back. I will take 100 trades, and then I will get back to you with the results. To know the results are in under, this was the best trading strategy that we have ever tested on this channel. This has a 56% win rate, and when you combine that with the fact that we are taking a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, this is going to give us almost a 100% account gain. You can see that this graph went up relatively consistently. We had a drop off around here, and then we had a few losing trades in a row around here. But for the vast majority of the chart, we were just going up and up and up. So is this indicator better than the original MACD? Yes, absolutely. Here are the original results of the MACD, and then here are the results of the new SDC indicator that we just tested. Honestly, I have no idea how I never heard about this indicator sooner. This just proves that combining the MACD and the stochastic indicator into one single indicator like this is extremely, extremely powerful. Now I will say that like any other trading strategy, this does work far better on trend. You can see that we hit a bit of a choppy market appearance, and we got to losses, but compared to other indicators, how they're performing trending markets, this was a pretty decent trading strategy. I mean, this was pretty choppy in this area, and we got 2 wins. This area was pretty choppy. We got a loss here and a win here. And then when this indicator actually starts to hit trends, you are going to get absolutely nothing other than wins. Just look at this, all of these wins in a row when the market starts trending. This is absolutely phenomenal for a trading strategy. So let's take a look if this would work on forks. Let's go for the GBP-yen pair and take a look at how this trades. Okay, so let's start off to this uptrend here with this entry signal would have given us what looks like a pretty nice entry, targeting a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. This would have been a very, very nice trade. Now we get another entry signal right here, which is on this candle, a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. And this is working out pretty perfectly. Once again, we get another entry signal here, targeting a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. And you guys can just see how powerful this strategy is. Okay, now this one may have been a loss. We would have taken a loss here, but then we follow that right up with another very nice way. So not only does this work consistently on cryptocurrencies, this also works on forks. This will work on any pair, although I tested this on my favorite forks pair. If you guys are into indicator trading, you should really try consistently trading on the GBP-yen pair. The reason for this is just to look at the amount of strong trends that pop up on this pair. You have this really strong uptrend, this really strong uptrend, this really strong downtrend. And of course, you get choppy areas like here, but compared to other forks pairs, I really like this for how many strong trends you get. Finally, let's take a look at how this trades on stocks. Now, honestly, I'm not sure how this will trade on stocks. Forks and cryptocurrency are very, very different. But let's take a look regardless. Now we would have got this move very, very nicely on this candle just before price made a huge move to the upside. But if you quickly sculpt this, you could still get a very nice 2 to 3% out of this trade. If you had held, maybe you could have got 13%, but if you are not crazy, you will have got out a lot earlier. Our next entry signal would be this downtrend here entering on this candle, and this would have been a very nice trade. Hey, maybe this is going to work on stocks, or maybe I spoke too soon because this looks like it's going to be a loss. Let's see that this would have been a loss as well. This would have been a loss, and then this is under the 200 EMA, so we couldn't take that trade. Yes, I think this is going to work far better on cryptocurrency and forks, but you could have taken a nice trade on this. This would have been profitable. This move would have been profitable. And actually, for this whole upside, you could have gotten earlier at this entry signal, or even this entry signal that is right down here. So the key takeaway from this trading strategy is that this is the best trading strategy that we have tested on this channel when it comes to forks in cryptocurrency. I would not recommend trading this on stocks, but for forks in crypto. This works absolutely amazingly. So hopefully you did enjoy today's video and found some value. Leave a comment about your thoughts on this awesome strategy. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.